right, we got another thug cop arrested for assault. Officer Ronnie Nelson of Springfield, Florida Police Department. That's who got arrested. And I know we're going to get some of those bootlickers blaming it all on the black guy. And that the cop did everything right, and he's such a good hero, etc., etc. But I want to remind you, before we go to the video, this black guy is just walking down the sidewalk going home. Oh, and this happened on May 29th. He's just walking home. He's not bothering anybody. He's not doing anything suspicious. He doesn't have to even ID. This whole thing could have been avoided if this cop didn't have an ego that he couldn't control. Well, here we go.
3200 block of Business 98. Come here.
What I did now?
Huh?
What I did?
I don't know. What are you
I
doing?
ain't did nothing. I'm just walking going home.
Where's home at?
My place is down the road. I'm not bothering nobody.
Okay. You got any ID on you?
I left my ID at home.
Okay. Well, just give me your name.
Man, why y'all gotta wrestle me for?
We're not harassing nobody.
I'm just doing my job. I'm going.
What's your job?
I'm walking down the road, minding my business. I ain't bothering nobody.
Okay. Well,
I'm trying to get home.
it's 12 o'clock at night, and when we see people out
None of your business what his job is.
that we don't recognize, we get
I'm
it.
walking by myself. I don't bother nobody.
Okay. Give her your name and your date of birth.
My name is Solomon E. Smith III. I'm not for to be dog with this, but this is works of the devil. That's all it is. I'm not doing nothing, sir.
Okay.
I'm minding my business. I don't bother nobody. I'm quiet. I stick to myself.
Mr.
Okay.
Eastman, how do I spell your first name?
SOLOMON.
SOLOMO.
ON.
I know it. Okay.
For no reason. That ain't no probably cause when y'all do stuff like that. It bothers me. I can't even go nowhere.
Okay. Well, I don't know who you are.
I gotta clean the work.
Okay, I don't know who you are.
I'm-
And
It's none of your business who he is.
so it's 12 o'clock at night.
So?
You're out here walking.
I'm minding my business though.
Okay,
I ain't hurt nobody. It should
Okay.
not be no problem. I'm minding my business. You could not be doing.
You know, I am so sick and tired of these cops saying it's 12 o'clock at night, it's 2 o'clock at night. It doesn't frickin' matter what time of night it is. You can take a walk whenever the heck you want.
I'm not doing that to nobody. I ain't hurt nobody. I ain't commit no crime.
I never said you did.
Why are y'all coming at me like that?
There you go. He just admitted that there was no crime. He never said there was a crime. Correct? That's what he said.
I'm not doing that.
It's 12 o'clock at night, and at 12 o'clock at night, most people are at home in bed.
Minding my business. Coming from my friend's house. That's the problem.
Okay.
That's why you can't do me
Okay.
like that.
Whether you believe this or not, okay,
I'm good.
you're in the area that's known for a lot of drug activity and prostitution,
So?
okay? All right, so I don't know who you are.
mean nothing.
So I'm going to get out and I'm going to identify you. And if you're good to go, you're going to be on your way and you can go home and do whatever you want to do.
For the argue with y'all because it takes two to argue. I got clean work. I'm not for the argue.
Okay,
with you. I got Jesus Christ.
Alright.
Jesus Christ will back me up.
Okay,
You know
that's
that.
fine.
Don't do that.
All right.
I don't like people all in my business.
Okay.
I don't deal with people. No reason.
I'll call you right back. Bye.
Why y'all can't let people go? Find somebody else to
of your business what a social is. Never give these idiots your social security number.
So, Mr. Smith, why did you tell me your last name was Eastman?
Well, it ain't no crime.
What's his, what, he didn't give us the right name? What's his name?
His name is Solomon Smith.
Okay.
My name is Solomon Smith. Yeah, but you ain't asked me all that.
Okay.
You asked me what's my name.
All right, turn around. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Turn
I
around.
did.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your
I'm
back.
sorry.
Put your hands behind your back.
Ma'am.
Turn around.
Please give me a chance. Please.
Turn around.
Please.
Turn around.
I'm trying to go home.
Turn.
And right here, I got to let people know the man is mentally ill, all right? And it turns out he did give them the right name. But he's kind of confused here.
Around
I'm
now.
trying to go home, please.
Get on the ground.
Will you give me a chance?
No.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Man,
I will tase your ass. Turn around now.
why you doing me like that?
Turn around.
I not did nothing to you.
Turn around.
Why you doing this to me?
Turn around now.
Why you doing this to me?
Turn around.
I'm gonna call those people on you.
You call whoever you want. Turn around.
I got people that would do something to you.
Okay, that's
Don't
fine.
hit me.
Turn around.
Don't bother me.
Turn
I'm
around.
If you work with me, I will tell you the truth.
I'm tired of
Listen.
talking to you.
Listen, please,
Can we get
please,
255?
please give me a chance.
Turn around.
Please give me a chance.
Turn around.
I'm trying to go home. I'm trying to go home. Please. Please.
Turn around.
Please.
Turn around. Turn around now.
Baby, will you just give me a chance to talk to you?
Put your hands behind your back.
I ain't did nothing though.
Turn around.
I'm on the wrist.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, I'm on the wrist. I'll just ask you a question. Yes, I'm on the wrist. Please.
You're gonna be. Turn around. Turn around.
Man,
Don't you.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm gonna call my mom.
Get your hands out of your pocket.
I'm gonna call my mama.
Back
Keep
up.
your hands.
I'm calling
Back up.
my mama. Will you please let me call my mama and she
No.
identify me?
I will take care of that in a minute.
Please.
Turn around. This is your last chance. Turn around.
I'm trying to do what's right.
Turn around, I said.
I'm trying to do what's right. You can't do me like this.
Turn around.
The victim is a victim. You cannot do me like
Turn
that.
around.
Don't.
Yes, he can do you like that because people in this country allow it. And there will be copsuckers that come in here and comment and try to defend this cop for what he's done. And I'm going to remind you all again, this whole thing could have been avoided if the cop would have done done his job properly and not illegally detained somebody who was just walking home on the sidewalk minding his own business.
Put your hands on me. You cannot do me like this. I'm trying to get home.
I said turn around now. You need to stay out of this.
Look.
You need to stay out of this.
No, come here. I need.
Come here. Turn around.
Jody.
Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind.
He gonna talk to you.
No, he ain't.
Yeah, he is.
Put your hand.
He my good.
Turn around.
I'm a good people.
Turn around.
He is my good people. Jody, come here.
No. Turn around. No.
He gonna take me home, please.
No.
Please. You got to work with me.
No, I ain't got to work with you.
Listen, I'm not.
I said
gonna argue with you.
I said turn around.
Man, y'all don't mess with me.
Hey, don't move. Now stop now.
Man, bust out the pussy, man.
Get on the ground.
You hurt my back.
Get on the ground, bro.
Man.
Kill me.
Man,
Get him,
God. God, please.
Anybody want to comment on this cop driving up and automatically assuming his buddies are doing what they're supposed to be doing and go straight to violence? I don't know if all he saw was a guy with being tased and he jumps out and does it. But I still have problems with it. Unpaid leave pending termination. The investigation also showed that Felony Smith actually did give his correct name. He did have mental issues. And that Nelson falsified his report. He said that Smith tried to throw a punch at him, or did throw a punch at him. But at least the other officers there said that never happened. And I don't know where the wrong name thing comes in. Apparently the female cop screwed that up. I'm just so sick and tired of seeing this. These bad cops out there pulling this shit, arresting people falsely, detaining them falsely, creating the whole situation. And then instead of de-escalating, escalating it into violence, at least they weren't on his neck. But if he had any, like, heart issues or something, he could have died from that taser. But does the cop care? No. My ego is hurt. I'm going to teach this guy a lesson. He is going to learn. I dare him. I am the law. And I do what I want. And but judging by the way this cop's asking, that's what he's used to. Getting away with whatever he wants. And I'd like to think, with all the things that have been going on, the reason the other officer said that Smith never threw a punch was because they didn't want to get involved with the BS. Because they see where the wind's blowing right now. All right. God, what else can I say? I know the bootlickers are going to be in here defending this cop, but I don't care. You know, to hell with them. There's always going to be bootlickers. All right, everybody. Till next time, this is P&P News. Everybody, please be safe. And never talk to the cops. They can't be trusted.